Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and good evening to Dr. Farina and my fellow friend. Today we are from group 2. Would like to show for our group assignment. First thing I would like to introduce our group member. First is myself, is Muhammad Fikri bin Zulkifli. Then Muhammad Afif bin Mat Ashraf. And last one is Obagan anak lelaki Oba Chandran. Okay, now we go to the introduction. Okay, the frequency response of a BJT and FET amplifier is amplified to refer to frequency range in that amplifier can operate with a replicable effect from a capacitor and device capacitance. In amplifier at the mid-band frequency, the coupling and bypass capacitor appear as the short circuit to AC. However, at a low frequency, this capacitor resistance affect the gain and the phase shift at the signal in this assignment. Uh, Phase shift of the signal. Okay, in this assignment, we will analyze a BJT FAT amplifier low and high frequency response. Okay, this is the example of the frequency response of amplifier. Okay, now I will pass the conclusion to my brother's Obagan.
So the next is about regarding the calculation. So from the circuit, we need to, as an idea, first of all we need to set the DC to 0, then draw the RE model, and then set all the capacitive remain or maintain. So as drawn, that is the middle part is our RE model, where the beta RE will be at the left, beta IB will be on the middle, which have diamond and bottom arrow, and R not at the right hand side. So this is our redraw away RE model based on the circuit given. So using this, we need to find our VB, where for the first equation is we need to check the condition of beta RE, where beta RE is larger than 10 R2 and which is satisfied. So by using the equation VB equals to R2 over R1 plus R2 times VCC, we get our VB is 1.8. And next, using the VB, we need to find VE, where the equation of VB will be VB equals VBE plus VE, VE equals VB minus VBE, VE equivalents 1.8 volt minus 0.7 volt equivalents 1.1 volt, which is that's our voltage of VE. Then we need to, using the simple formula V equals IR, we can find IE, where IE equals to VE divided by RE, 1.1 divided by 1.1K, 1K. So we get our IE value is 1.1 milliampere. Then after that, we need to find our small RE, where the formula is RE equals 26 millivolt divided by IE. So our RE is equals to 23.64 ohm. So next, we need to find our beta RE, where beta is 150 and our RE is 23.64 ohm, and our beta RE is 3546 ohm. Next is about frequency response AC equivalent circuit, and the first condition is we need to set DC voltage to 0 and keep all the capacitor maintains, such as CS, CC and CE, and draw the RE model. So first of all, we need to calculate the cutoff frequency at CS, where we need to find the equation is F equivalents 1 over 2 pi RC. To find the R total is R1 parallel to R2 and parallel to beta RE, where the first step is R1 parallel to R2 equals to 10K parallel to 2.K, and we will get 1.803K. And then to find R total, we need to use R1 parallel to R2 parallel to beta RB, where we've already found our value of R1 plus R2. So now we need to parallel with beta RE, where we will get about 1.2k, our R total. Next. Then using the frequency response formula, we will get 1 over 2 pi R total CS, where R total is Ri plus Rg. So where 1.2k plus 600, and our R total will be 1.8k ohm. So substitute all the equation values into the formula. So it will be getting 1 over 2 pi times 1.8k times 0.47 microfarad, and we will get our frequency for FLS is 188.13 hertz. Then the next is the cutoff frequency for of CC. And first of all, we need to find the R total, where R0 is parallel to RC plus R. We consider that R0 is infinity, so the R total will be RC plus RL only, and where R total is equals to 3.6k plus 10k ohm equals to 13.6k ohm. Using that value, we need to substitute into the cutoff frequency formula, which is FLC equals to 1 over 2 pi RT CC, 1 divided by 2 pi times 13.6k times 2.2 microfarad equals to 5.32 hertz. The third cutoff frequency is the cutoff frequency of CE. So this is the diagram, the first drawing of cutoff frequency CE, where Rg prime equals to Rg parallel to R1 and R2. The second drawings is where it is simplified, and where Rg prime plus beta Re equals to Ra. And the third diagram is we simplified again using, we will get Ra equals Rg over beta plus Re. So first of all, the main process, we need to find the R total, where R total equals to Re parallel with Ra, where Ra equals to Rg over beta plus Re. Rg prime equals to Rg parallel to R1 and R2. So in the first condition, we already found that R1 parallel to R2 is equals to 1.803k, and Rg is 600 ohm. So Rg prime will be 600 parallel to 1.803k. So we will get Rg prime equals to 450.19 ohm. Then we need to substitute Ra equals to Rg prime over beta plus Re, and we substitute into the equation. We will get for R total Ra parallel to Re, and the R total will be 25.95 ohm. Then we need to substitute all the value into the formula of FLE equals 1 over 2 pi RTCE, where 1 over 2 divided by 2 pi times 25.95 times 10 micro will get 613.31 hertz. So we have listed the three types of the cutoff frequency, where the low cutoff frequency response is the FLE, where it is the highest frequency from the low cutoff frequency, which is 613.31 hertz. So the next is about high cutoff frequency, and this is the RE model based on the circuit, whereas the same beta RE on the left, beta IB on the right, and I mean in the collector, and then so first of all, we need to find beta RE, and beta RE is 3546 because we have calculated before. And the R1 parallel to R2 is also the same. We have calculated before. RG is based on the circuit. So we need to find RA for now, where RA will be equals to RG parallel to R1 and parallel to R2, where RA equals to 454.19. So we need to find RTH equals to RA over beta RE, and we will get the value of 399.47. By using the equation Ci equals to Cwi plus Cbe plus Cmi, so we want to find the voltage gain. So CMI equals to 1 minus AV times CF. The CF will be considered as CBC, where AC analysis capacitor will be short circuit. So the formula will be AV equals to V out over V in equals to negative beta IB times RO R naught times RC, parallel to RC RL. So we'll divide. We will get R naught is assumed as infinite, and it will get RC, negative RC parallel to RL over small RE. We substitute the value into it, and we will get AV equals negative 111.97, and it's considered as negative 112. The next is we find about CMI, where CMI is equivalent to 1 minus AV and CBC times CMC. Substitute the value inside it, and we got CMI equals to 237.3 picofarad. So to find CI, we substitute back all the equation we get as CWI plus CBE plus CMI. So we'll get CI equals to 266.7 picofarad. Then we substitute into the frequency formula, where 1 over 2 pi RTH plus CI. So 1 divided by 2 pi times 399.47 times 266.7 pico equals to 1.494 megahertz. Next is output. So RC is given there 3.6 k ohm, RL is given there to 10.6 k ohm. So to find R total is RC parallel to RL, where we will get 2.65 k ohm. So C output is equals to CWO plus CCE plus CMO. CMO is equals to 1 minus 1 over AV times CF, and CMO equals to 1 minus 1 over negative 112 CBC. Substitute the value inside the equation, and we will get CMO equals 2.12 picofarad. Then after we get the value, we substitute back into the CO equation, where CO equation is equal to CWO plus CCE plus CMO, and we'll get C output is equal to 12.12 picofarad. So substitute back into the frequency formula, where 1 over 2 pi RT C output. So we will get the frequency of output, high frequency of output is equal to 4.96 megahertz. So the highest cutoff frequency response is the FH high is 1.494 megahertz. Next. So next I'll pass to my friend Afif.
Importance of analog circuit in the current technology trend, and give example of it. Analog is used to convert the analog signal to digital signal, or vice versa. It does so by taking advantage of the continuous nature of analog signal. There are many advantages to digital circuit, but there are some things that still require analog. Below is a list of important of or advantage of analog circuit in the current technology. Number one is the analog current is less energy and also referred as a linear circuit. Second, thereby involving lesser heat consumption and hence decreasing the complexity of the system. Yang ketiga, cheaper and simple than digital circuit. Yang keempat, involve lesser number of error and no major changes in data occur if small error happen. Lastly, represent the main component used for design digital circuit. Okay, below is an example of each application that use analog circuit, and one of it is a microphone. Microphone is used on analog circuit to convert sound wave into electric or analog wave. The circuit that control the wave are known as amplitude and volt. And the second one is an analog multimeter. Its function is to measure quantity is given by the depletion of needle on the indicating meter The heart of the meter is provide type moving coil. Galvanometer, moving coil on jewel bearing between the pole of a permanent magnet inside the multimeter. The indicating needle is fastened to the coil. The reading is also determined by the zero mark in the middle as in the usual galvanometer.
Okay, in conclusion, we have been able to study and learn more about the frequency. Okay, in conclusion, we have been able to study and learn more about the frequency response of the BGT FFT amplifier. That is a range in which the amplifier will operate, the effect negligible capacitor and the internal capacitance device. Also, the concept of this design is that to focus on the finding the low cutoff frequency for each coupling, that is CS and CE, and the bypass of the given circuit. We were able to find the value of coupling and the bypass and the dominant cutoff frequency, and by using the correct formula for high frequency input and output, the value called find the cutoff frequency. And finally, as a team, we use the knowledge that we gain during the lesson and the wishes on this group assignment to find the question, to find the answer question for a person. Okay, that's all from our group. Thank you.